Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about my new arrived Mac Studio M1 Max after waiting for almost 7 weeks for delivery. In the meantime, I will show you some footage of the unboxing of the Mac Studio. And as you can see, it is a nice box where it arrived in. And after unboxing that box, we have another box with the Mac Studio in it. It was a nice box. It's very sturdy. So as for delivery of the stuff, it looks perfect. The packaging looks perfect. And when opening it, you can really feel the quality of the product itself by the box. And when you lift out the Mac Studio, you can really feel it's a heavy product. So this is the Max and not the Ultra. So the Ultra is even more heavier than the Max. But for me, it is really a heavy machine. It's a block of aluminium and you can really feel it. It's pretty weighty. I got the M1 Max with 32 gigabytes of memory and I upgraded my storage to 1 terabyte. So instead of 512 gigabytes, I upgraded to 1 terabyte. If you look at the port selection, on the back side we have 4 times Thunderbolt 4, a 10 gigabyte Ethernet interface, 2 times USB 3, a power adapter, and of course a headphone jack. On the front side we have 2 times USB-C and an SD card reader. So what are my first impressions? Well, it's really a very good machine. It feels very sturdy. It has been working for me like a charm. Startup is fast. If you start up a program, it's fast. So overall I must say that the experience is very good. It might be a bit too of an overkill for my usage, because I create 1 or 2 videos per week, and most of the time it's just web browsing, email, some text editing and that kind of stuff. So that's not that much, but it's nothing like the i7 MacBook Pro from 2019 I have. I must just say it's not like this. So what do I think eventually? What do I think about the Mac Studio M1 Max? I think it's a very good machine. It can be a bit of overkill if you don't really stress it out that much. And maybe it could have got by with a Mac Mini M1, but like I said, the ports is one of the things that I really needed. A good Ethernet interface, the USB-C or the Thunderbolt ports at the back, and of course the 2 USB ports at the back side for my camera, and the extra for the recording of, let's say, another device. In the next videos about this Mac Studio, I will show you the first steps to do after getting a new Mac. So what do you set up for it? How do you set it up? What do you install on it? How do you tweak it to make it more to your liking? And those kind of things. How to set up your terminal, how to get Linux software installed, and those kind of steps will be discussed in my next video. I hope you like this video, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.